Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the NOC playing cards. Now, I've got 4 different colours I think, so I'm just going to do 2 today. Or maybe look at another 2 another day. So we'll start off with the yellow. But these are made in Taipei. They're exclusively for House of Playing Cards by the Expert Playing Card Company. I really like these. I like the simplicity and the simplistic look of them. And as you can see here, let's move these out of the way. As you can see here in the NOC, it says minimal playing cards. Now, I love the case design. It reminds me of a cassette, you know, an old cassette tape, and I just love the it's so simplistic and so nice. I like side opening. It's very cool. The inside of the tuck case is also yellow. It says here, your card is a 2 of hearts, which could be used in a magic trick, which is a cool touch. So inside the very cool tuck case, which I'll move out of the way here, we have the NOC playing cards. Very standard face. We've got jokers here, and there. We also have somewhere in here an ace of spades. There we are. So here we have the ace of spades, and it just says minimal playing cards, which they are. They have a sort of linen air cushion type finish to it, which I'll try and capture here. There we go. You can see that better there. And looking at the back design, they're very simple, very basic. With a bicycle deck of cards, you can almost melt the two together. As these are giving me a bit of jip, but we're there. Not impossible. And what I liked about that also was, although it was a bit of a pain to get them to go together, they didn't fray the edges or damage the edges like some of the cheaper playing cards do. Yeah, very basic, very nice. I think the boxes attracted me to cards more than the cards did. There's not really a lot to write home about them. So with the purple, again, it's a very, very nice royal purple. Your card's the King of Clubs, which you can make happen with a magic trick. In here, I didn't bother rearranging these because obviously I'd already done the yellows. So we've got the 2 jokers again. And we've got the exact same front design. The back, very, very nice purple. I mean, I'm a massive fan of purple in itself. It's a lovely colour, and I think the white borders do it justice, especially if you were doing cardistry or anything along those lines. But I mean, for me, they're just very basic, aren't they? There's not a lot to them. They're very nice, vibrant, standout colours, but they're just a very basic deck of cards. And I think the beautiful cases, the beautiful tuck cases, are really what sells this deck to me, because I personally feel that a standard deck of bicycle red or blue feel just as nice, if not better, than these NOC cards. But that being said, they are very cool. They are very nice looking, and I don't regret having them at all. As I said, I've got 4 or 5 of the colours. I think these are the V1s. The V2s may have changed slightly, and it may be a lot not nice to handle, a lot less sort of plasticky. But they feel nice. They do. They just don't have that United States Playing Card Company nice feel. But I love them. They're nice. Very nice colours. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.